Hi, my name is Natalie Child, and I am a senior at BYU Idaho, graduating in communications. For my senior project, I decided to brand my own photography business, Photo by Natalie Nicole. This will help prepare me for future career as a photographer after I graduate from BYU Idaho. My senior project is broken down into 3 different categories: styled shoots, wedding photography, and real estate photography. I have learned a ton from doing styled shoots. I've been able to bounce ideas off of other photographers, meet lots of new people, travel new places, learn to shoot in different lighting situations, and market using the content I've shot. This shoot was done down in Utah. This particular styled shoot has helped me book several new clients. This styled shoot was set up at the St. Anthony Sand Dunes. It was direct sunlight, so I got lots of practice in a very low stress situation to practice in some harsh lighting. This was my first styled shoot with professional models. It was a super cool experience being able to shoot models that I've seen some of my photography idols shoot with. This shoot was also down in Utah. It was raining, so this styled shoot taught me it's okay to shoot in different weather conditions, that you can still get amazing shots. I spent the most time on wedding photography. I want to do wedding photography long term. To prepare myself to shoot a wedding by myself as the first shooter, I second shot several different weddings. Kim and Dallas's wedding was in Idaho Falls, and this was the first wedding that I was the first shooter. This was my first elopement shoot, and it was in Grand Teton National Park. This couple came all the way from West Virginia to elope in the Grand Tetons. This elopement was also in Grand Teton National Park. It was too foggy to see the Tetons, but we were able to still get some amazing shots with the fog. Real estate photography is my last niche. This property is in Rexburg, Idaho. The client hired a real estate agent to take the pictures but was unhappy, so then contacted me to redo the pictures. I used 2 different techniques to shoot this home. I used bracketing and light painting. Bracketing is where you use 3 different pictures and combine them in post-editing. You take one underexposed, one just right, and one overexposed, so you're able to capture all of the shadows and all of the light in your image. Light painting is where you put your camera on a low shutter speed, and while your camera is taking the picture, you light up your subject with a flashlight. Here are some headshots I took of a real estate agent. Here are the hours that I spent on each category for my project. I spent a total of 78 hours working on my senior project.